Hello, how to solve for A and B in this equation? A plus B is equal to 40. AB is equal to 400. Solution. A plus B is equal to 40. Let us call this equation 1. AB is equal to 400. Let us call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, A plus B is equal to 40. B is equal to 40 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. Also from this equation 2, AB is equal to 400. Let us substitute for B. This is A bracket B is 40 minus A is equal to 400. Then A multiplied by 40, this is 40A minus A multiplied by A square is equal to 400. Let us bring this 400 to this side, and this is 40A minus A square minus 400 is equal to 0. At this point, let us divide all through by minus 1. Then this is 40A divided by minus 1 minus A square divided by minus 1, and then minus 400 divided by minus 1. This is equal to 0, then divided by minus 1. Here we have 40A divided by minus 1. This is minus 40A minus A squared divided by minus 1. This is plus A square. Then minus 400 divided by minus 1. This is plus 400 is equal to 0 divided by minus 1. This is 0. Then let us put this in standard form. This is A square minus 40A plus 400 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. From quadratic general formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. But here we are looking for the value of a and b. So, but in this case, we want to solve for a. Now, a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 40, then c is equal to 400. So a is equal to minus bracket minus 40 plus or minus square root of minus 40 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c is 400 over 2 multiplied by 1. Or we have discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then this is equal to minus 40 square minus 4 multiplied by A is 1 multiplied by C is 400. Now, minus 40 square is equal to minus 40 multiplied by minus 40, and this is equal to 1600. Also, 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 400 is equal to 1600. Then D is equal to 1600 minus 1600. This is equal to 0. Now we need to look for the square root of D. Square root of discriminant is equal to square root of 0. This is equal to 0. Therefore, the whole of this become A is equal to 40 plus or minus 0 over 2. Now, A1 is equal to 40 plus 0 over 2, and A2 is equal to 40 minus 0 over 2. Therefore, A1 is equal to 40 plus 0 is 0 divided by 2, that is 20, and A2 is equal to 40 minus 0 is 40 divided by 2, that is 20. These are the values of A1 and A2. Now let us solve for B1 and B2. To solve for B, from equation 3, equation 3 is B is equal to 40 minus A. Then B1 is equal to 40 minus A1 is 20. B1 is equal to 40 minus 20, that is 20. Also, B2 is equal to 40 minus A2. B2 is equal to 40 minus 20. B2 is equal to 20. Then here we got the value of B1, which is 20, and the value of B2, which is also 20. You can see that from this equation, A is equal to B. Therefore, A is equal to B, which is equal to 20. Then our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 20, 20. A2, B2 is equal to 20, 20. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. A plus B is equal to 40. AB is equal to 400. This is our equation 1, and this is equation 2. Then let us consider this. When A is 20 and B is 20, we have A plus B. This is equal to 20 plus 20 must be equal to 40. 20 plus 20, this is 40, is equal to 40, which is true. Let us consider this. AB is equal to 400. 20 multiplied by 20 must be equal to 400. 20 times 20, this is 400, is equal to 400, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.